Hello everyone, this video demonstrates how to integrate collections into your post-processing workflow. Collections are a great way to manage photo projects. We are using our advanced photo organizing and editing software, Exposure, in this video. If you don't own a copy of Exposure, head over to our website and give the free demo a try. Collections are special folders used for grouping images. They can include photos from multiple folders, so they are a good way to bring together images from different photo shoots. Collections can contain any number of images, and you can have as many collections as you want. Images in a collection are simply links back to the original, so your collections won't fill up your drive with duplicate images. Collections are located in the Folders panel in Exposure. Create a new collection by clicking the plus button, naming the new collection, and then simply drag and drop images to populate the collection. You can create as many collections as needed. And for an additional level of organization, you can create sub-collections. An example is a portfolios collection with sub-collections for different styles of work, such as landscapes, portraits, and street photography. You can move, rename, duplicate, and delete collections. For example, drag and drop a collection into another collection to convert it into a sub-collection. Exposure's smart collections are automatically populated with images based on criteria you specify. These include photo metadata, such as keywords, ratings, color labels, and flags. To create a smart collection, click the plus icon, choose New Smart Collection, and give it a name. Then set selection criteria. For example, set that images must have at least 4 stars. Add more criteria, such as the image copyright. And you can set a path for where Exposure searches for images when building the collection. This is helpful if you have locations that you would like to omit, such as a backup drive. Click Create, and the Smart Collection will be built with all images that meet the criteria. Any new images found that meet the specific criteria will be automatically included as well. The Smart Collection criteria can be adjusted at any time. Simply right-click on the Smart Collection and choose Edit. Smart Collections can be generated using a list of image file names. When clients write a list of their top image choices from the shoot, you can create a collection of those files very easily. To add a smart collection using file names, click the plus icon and choose New Smart Collection from File List. Simply paste the list of photos in the field to create the collection. You can make any collection the Quick Collection. Just right-click on it and select Quick Collection. The designation enables you to add photos to the Quick Collection with a shortcut key. Pressing L adds the image to the Quick Collection. Pressing L again removes it. Pressing Shift-L will open the Quick Collection. Exposure is a non-destructive photo editor, so collections data is recorded in the image sidecar files. That enables you to back up your photos and edits in a single step and synchronize your work across multiple computers. You can learn more about it on our website in the Backups and Archives video. That completes our lesson on using collections in Exposure. As you can see, collections provide fast and flexible ways to group your photos. If you'd like to learn more about using Exposure, head over to our website, exposure.software. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For more helpful videos about Exposure or our other software products, subscribe to our channel on YouTube.